In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to Microsoft To Do from Outlook. Turning messages into tasks keeps follow-ups visible and actionable, and there are two easy approaches you can use: a quick flag inside Outlook and a simple drag and drop in the desktop app. Let's start with the fastest built-in option, flagging an email. Open your Outlook inbox, find the message you want to track, and click the flag next to it. The moment you flag that email, Microsoft To Do automatically creates a task in the flagged email list. That list is designed specifically for emails you've marked for attention, so you don't have to copy and paste anything or switch tools. In To Do, you'll see the email's subject as the task title, along with a short snippet of the message for context. From there, you can set a reminder, assign a due date, and add it to My Day to keep it front and center. When you're ready to revisit the full message, open the task and jump back to the original email right from there. One important note: this seamless handoff only works when you're signed in with the same Microsoft account in both Outlook and Microsoft To Do. If you're using different accounts, the flagged item won't appear in To Do. Now, if you're on Outlook for Windows, there's another straightforward method. Drag the email to the tasks icon in the navigation pane. Select the message in your inbox, drag it down to Tasks, and release. Outlook instantly creates a task using the email, and because Microsoft To Do syncs with Outlook tasks, that new task will show up in To Do as well. This approach is great when you want more than just a flag, because it captures the contents of the email inside the task. That means you can review the details without switching back to your inbox, while still benefiting from the same syncing between Outlook and To Do. Both methods give you a clean, trackable task you can manage like any other. Add due dates, set reminders, and pull it into My Day to focus on what matters now. If you don't see the task right away, remember that syncing can take a moment, especially on a busy connection. Choose the method that fits your workflow, flagging for a quick capture with minimal clicks, or drag and drop when you want the email content embedded in a task. That's all you need to turn emails into actionable tasks in Microsoft To Do using Outlook. Keep your inbox tidy, keep your priorities clear, and stay on top of every follow-up.